I want you, I need you, gotta have you, all of you, in my life, in my life, in my life, oh yeah. I want you, I need you, gotta have you, all of you, in my life, in my life, in my life, oh yeah. Yeah, we can make history, literally, you and me, in the Jeep, increase the speed, turn up the heat, cause to me, you as cold as the wind or breeze, instantly, I start to freeze, the first time you stopped and talked to me, I was thinking, geez, that was meant to be, before I even opened my mouth, I started to speak, she was thinking probably get away from me, but all she said was bless you, and continue to speak, right then and there, I knew it was meant to be. Other girls leave like a tree, family tree, how about it is we taking a leap, honeymoon and Cancun next to the beach, sipping on a margarita while rubbing your feet, just you and me, one-on-one, on vacation for weeks, come on, then I fuck you every day of the week, you the air to my lungs, the breath that I breathe, in other words, you the everything and the only thing that I need, and everything and the only thing that I ever receive, come on, yeah, in my life, in my life, I want you, I need you, gotta have you, all of you, in my life, in my life, in my life, oh yeah, I need you, gotta have you, all of you, all of you, in my life, in my life, in my life, oh yeah, AD, yeah, A-D, yeah, fuck with me though, yeah.